When he founded our city 85 years ago, President Manuel Luis Quezon manifested an urban center that would serve as a model capital, one that honors the dignity of the Filipino and thrives as a productive, self-contained community. This is the dream that guides our path forward in the city government. Today, we stand as the leading highly urbanized city in the country, home to more than 3.2 million individuals, and host to countless others who work, study, and conduct their business here. Over the past 5 years, we have worked hard to make QC a city for everyone, ensuring that our services are more efficient and truly responsive. In this bid for inclusivity, we have taken great lengths to create an environment where businesses can thrive, a big part of which is made possible by our digital transformation. Since we embrace technology, we have created data-driven regulatory policies, streamlined our processes, and proved our commitment to transparency and accountability. It wasn't easy, but our efforts are paying off as we now stand as the most business-friendly city in the country as well. We are proud to say that Quezon City is be-ready and much more. We established a modern lounge-type business one-stop shop parallel with our e-boss, or e-business one-stop shop as mandated by RA 11032 to streamline our processes and further enhance the services we provide to the business sector. At its heart, we have the QC Biz Easy portal, an online processing system for business permit application and renewal. This is accessible for everyone, whether from the comfort of their homes and offices or through the kiosks that we have placed around City Hall, our district action offices, and malls, where frontline staff are ready to assist in case one is challenged. As of April 2024, 100% of all permit applications are done through this portal. Our digital systems are able to measure the productivity and efficiency of our processes. We can proudly say that here in QC, we can issue permits for new businesses in less than a day and renew existing ones in 30 seconds and at most 5 minutes.